Firstly goes to File and choose Open. Select this first image and hit Open. Now take a new layer, hit Ctrl Backspace to apply background color, that is black. Again take a new layer, this time take Brush tool. Make sure our foreground color should be white. Increase brush hardness to 100%. Now one click to apply the brush like this. Right click on this layer and choose Select Pixels. Then go to Select, Modify and choose Feather. Here increase the feather radius to 70 pixels. Also enable Apply Effect at Canvas Bounce option. Press OK. Hit Layer Mask option below. Now hit Ctrl I to invert this mask. Then take a new layer and apply the white spark with brush tool like this. Decrease the opacity to 60%. Hold Shift button and select these two layers. Hit Ctrl E to merge these layers. Then delete the bottom black filled layer. Now adjust the bubble like this. Hit Ctrl T for transfer option and decrease the bubble size. Hold Alt button and drag to copy the bubble. Then make a multiple copies. Now is the time to see the final result. Let's continue the same process on other image. At first double click and select this second image and hit Open. Now take a new layer, hit Ctrl Backspace to fill black color. Again take a new layer, this time take Brush tool, change the foreground color to white, increase the brush size by holding the right bracket, also increase the brush hardness to 100%. Apply the brush like this. Right click on this layer, here choose Select Pixels. Now go to Select, Modify and choose Feather. Increase the feather radius to 70 pixels. Enable Apply Effect at Canvas Bounce and press OK. Hit on Layer Mask option below. Hit Ctrl I to invert the mask. Now take a new layer, decrease the brush size. Also decrease the hardness. Now create the spark like this. Decrease the opacity to 60%. Select these two layers by holding Shift button. Hit Ctrl E to merge these layers. Delete the bottom layer. Then adjust these bubbles like this. Now is the time to see the final result.